Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to learn JavaScript with Chat. Set a clear goal, pick a beginner project, and schedule short daily practice sessions. Ask ChatGPT for bite-sized explanations and example code, then run and modify that code to learn actively. Use incremental challenges to build confidence, request debugging help when stuck, and ask for quizzes to reinforce concepts. Celebrate small wins and iterate on projects regularly. Start with fundamentals like variables, functions, and arrays, and ask ChatGPT for simple explanations and code samples. Practice by building a to-do list or calculator project, request step-by-step guidance, and ask for common pitfalls. Use code comments and ask for explanations line by line, then refactor with ChatGPT suggestions to improve style and performance. Repeat exercises until you can explain each part confidently every day. Craft clear prompts by stating the goal, constraints, and desired output format, and include example input when possible. When debugging, paste minimal reproducible code and ask ChatGPT to identify errors and suggest fixes with explanations. Learn to iterate on responses by asking follow-up questions, requesting simplified versions, or asking for alternative approaches. Pair ChatGPT help with hands-on testing in the browser or Node, and keep a personal cheat sheet of common patterns.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.